LemFi Referral code. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to send LemFi money referral code. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important point. You will learn how to claim a LemFi send money referral bonus in a very easy way. First, download the LemFi application and enter a valid referral code during sign up. Once done, complete your KYC verification. This includes uploading your ID and verifying your email. In the next step, send your first qualifying international transfer. It must be one single transfer that meets the minimum amount for your region. If you are in USA, you have to send $100 to $50 to receive a $20 or $30 bonus. But if you are in UK, you just have to send £50 to £100 to receive a £10 bonus. If you're in Canada and Europe, then you have to send the money according to your region. Once your transfer is completed and approved, your bonus will automatically added to your LemFi wallet. But both you and the referrer will receive the bonus if all the terms are met. And that's how you will be able to send LemFi money referral code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.